Hello, welcome to Time to Trade YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make a withdrawal on XM broker. So first of all, you should make sure you go to the XM broker. Make sure you enter this correct link. It's www.xm.com. C-O-M. So make sure that there is a green lock. There is secure connection, so that you won't enter a scam website that might be similar to Exim, but those one will be dangerous. So make sure you check your link https www.exim.com. So first of all, you log into your Exim account. So I enter my details, my password, then I click login. So in today's video, I'm going to make a withdrawal from my Exim broker account to my Skrill account. So here I select the account which I want to make a withdrawal, then select options, then I highlight over withdraw funds. So on this withdrawal page, what I want to withdraw with is Skrill. So I have to go and select Skrill. This is the account. This is the Skrill account which I want to withdraw money to. But however, I have placed my Skrill account before. Details, credentials. This is my Skrill address. Then I click withdraw. Next page, we are going to be prompted to enter the amount which you want to withdraw. So in this, let me see. I want to withdraw. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Okay, I'll withdraw about $35. $35. Then you should always click this so that you will be able to process your withdrawal. Then click request pay withdrawal. So what time is it? So it's 20 minutes to 1. It's Wednesday, August 19. So I'm going to resume this video after completion of withdrawal. So usually they say you should close a position before making a withdrawal, so that they will be able to process it. But however, I just want you to check whether it works to make a withdrawal with my order open. And I've made a calculation that I'm risking about 53 cents for dollar as gain. But however, as you can see, balance is $77. It has been written there. I've withdrawn a certain amount. Let me say $35. Okay, so guys, I will resume after the withdrawal is verified. Let me refresh my Yahoo account so that I can see whether there's nothing yet sent. So let's see how long does it take to withdraw funds from an Exim broker account to Skrill. So it's now 23 past 1. So I've just received an email. Yeah, okay, let me close this. I've just received an email showing that okay, we have processed, confirm. Okay, it's been received and processed. Okay, let me check. Exim Limited Global Limited just sent you money. Okay, it seems like I've received the money. Let me just confirm. Most of you would like to see a real confirmation whether the money have been received or not. Okay. Okay, so I started the video about when it was like 20 minutes to, and now it's 24 past, so it's almost like 40 minutes, like 45 minutes. It takes about 45 minutes to receive your money when you request a withdrawal to the exim broker. Okay, let me log in and see whether the money have reached my account or not. Let's just wait and see. So it happened that someone commented on another video, another deposit video which I've done in the past. He said, can we see a re-withdrawal? Can you see a withdrawal? In the what happened is by that time I had no funds, so it happened that I got some clients which wanted some graphic designs done for them, so I did it. So there it is. I deposited $10. Was it? Yeah, I deposited about $20 into exam. It was on the 14th of August. Now it's on the 19th of August, and there is the confirmation that I have received that $35 which I have done a withdrawal at exam broker. Okay, something is acting funny here. I can't click anyway. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me go to transactions. This is live, guys. This is live. This is not pre-recorded. What? This is live. This is not things which were made up. Nah, this is live. Okay, I want to choose the last 7 days. Is it? Yeah, there it is. That's the withdrawal which was processed. Let me go back to exam broker and let's see whether they, okay, let me log in again, whether it is highlighted that the withdrawal has been processed. Okay, wait, where is it? Click withdrawal history. This probably is my first withdrawal. It's been a long time since I've made a withdrawal on any broker. Why? Because I've been making losses, losing day after day, month after month, year after year. But this has been a good month for me. So let's see. Okay, my account. Okay, there it is. It has been approved successfully. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any other question, please click in the comment section and ask me. I will put my WhatsApp link address so that you can even contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook if you need any help. So for those okay, for those people who want to help the boy, who want to support the boy, you can even send any amount of Skrill to my Skrill address. There is a giftmutunzi@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching. I hope it have been helpful for you. Later.